recording.
Yay!
That's a camera.
Hi. We're
Hi.
ready to
Seen
go on
one
the
like this?
train.
Can I get your picture? Take our picture. What's your name?
Madeline.
Madeline, you are
What a
so
great name.
pretty.
Are you
And-
excited to go on the train?
Where are you going to be sitting? Are you sitting in a closed car or an open car?
Open. That,
Open.
maybe we're sitting next to each other.
Maybe.
'Cause we're in an open car too. It was nice meeting you, Madeline.
Nice meeting you. Hi there. You want to be on camera too? Hi, sweet girl. What's your name? Hi.
Noelle.
What is it?
Noelle.
Noelle.
Her nickname is Cheeky.
Cheeky. Oh, because big cheeks.
So are you actually from Oklahoma?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Well, here.
Here?
And then our
Yeah.
kids are from Minnesota now, so.
Okay.
Pleasure having you aboard today. It's been my pleasure serving you as your host.
So do you just
In the meantime, may we please have your
They only had
attention
what?
to the following safety announcements.
3 cars.
Children must be accompanied
guys,
by
look.
an adult at all times.
Look in
Once
here,
the
Mark.
train is in motion, please stay seated at all times. Moving from
I'm
car
doing
to car is
videos,
not
so I have to
allowed
take
once we are
pictures,
on
yeah.
our way.
What you got to
Please
say,
do not throw
Mark?
any garbage or
How
other
much-
objects
what time
from
did you
the
get up
train.
this morning?
You are in the heart of a federally protected national forest.
We know that.
Watch out for
So
the
keep
train
your arms,
robbers.
legs, and head inside the train at all times. Thousands of miners, mule skinners, dams, gunslingers, and gamblers swarming across the landscape, eager to get their hands on some of the shiny yellow metal. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride aboard the 1880 train. With us, you do not need to worry about anything else. Let us do the driving. This is the best attraction to spend time with family and friends while enjoying the Black Hills, just like the early pioneers, miners, and settlers
There's
did
our
when they discovered the
shoes.
West.
Relaxing now.
They used to have a bunch of the old ones that we were going to refurbish, like the original ones,
Yeah.
sitting in this yard. I don't know what they've done.
Yeah. I wonder if they put them in a museum.
There's a lot of, there used to be a lot of them.
Yeah.
They're probably taken off as useful. Roll number 104.
They fill it up with coal, right? That's cool.
Well, it's fired by coal, but the steam engine takes the water to turn it into steam.
Oh, that was water?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
water.
Yeah. And how many gallons of water did you say it takes?
2,500.
This
reminds me of the Silverton,
Yeah.
Durango
making this
train.
one of the steepest railroads in the United States. This puts considerable strain on the locomotive, and the engineer usually takes this opportunity to blow sand through the locomotive's boiler fluids to cleanse the soot from them.
Well, they have the, was the beetle station down over here?
It makes the soil move because it keeps going up.
How much for the popcorn?
I'll take one.
What? Only have $3.
And a water. Oh well.
But I said,
not gonna like jaywalk, are we?
Yeah.
We are.
Yep. Right after this van.
Okay.
Kathy, Turtle Town if you want ice cream.
Yeah. Let's go, beautiful. Okay.
Just like you. I know.
All right, guys. Tell me a little bit about your trip this time.
This trip has been awesome. Got to spend it with some awesome people.
Yay.
Seen some awesome trails.
Lots
had
of
some
fun
great
on the
food.
Yes.
Had a lot of fun.
Yes.
Well, I'm
We
glad
love it.
y'all
And met
joined
new
us.
people.
Yes,
Met new people.
glad y'all joined us for Ben's retirement
We
party.
enjoyed hanging out with KH and Ben.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right,
Still
tell
have
us
a half an hour.
a little bit about your cabin and your trip, your experience while we were here.
Our cabin was fine.
No. Just bad answers.
Just bad answers.
Just miserable answers. How
Okay.
miserable you were. How it was
Oh,
terrible
come
seeing you
on,
again.
no.
Yeah, oh yeah, it was terrible seeing you again. I'm certain of that.
You guys seemed so
You're
much
fun.
cooler last time we got together.
So that's because we were on your property.
No, I meant us.
Oh,
Should have had
you were
bales of
cool,
hay.
yeah,
They
yeah.
would have been more comfortable to sleep on.
Yeah.
Cabin.
Yeah.
It's a big cabin, but you know, it was nice.
Cheap beds, I think, is what the problem there was. I think
Yeah.
they were trying, but they just haven't.
You know,
gotten that done
it
yet.
seems like they fall short on the easiest stuff. Like if you just start out with the comfort, right?
Yeah.
And then make everything else pretty around that.
Yeah.
But you can't have like a beautiful room and then you lay down on the bed and it's
It's
terribly,
rock.
you know? Spend the extra money and make a comfortable bed. People will come back.
They
Okay,
did have
baby.
it pretty clean, though. I will give them that.
Yeah, they were pretty clean.
And, you know, it was concrete floors, so I didn't walk around on my feet because, you know, I don't know what yesterday's guy did.
Way
Yeah,
better than carpet floors.
yeah, they are.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You never know what's on a carpet.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, tell us where we're going next.
Yeah, tell it. Where are we going next?
Do you want to go with us? We're going to go to Devil's Tower for a couple of days.
Yay, I'm
Yeah.
glad you're going to take that.
We're going to
Yeah.
go. You know, that was
That's
one of my
gonna be
favorite
great.
movies back in the day. You remember that movie?
Oh yeah, Close Encounters.
Yes.
Oh, the third. I couldn't remember the
Close
name of it.
Encounters of the Third
Where they
Kind.
made the thing out of math, where you made the
Yeah.
drive
Spaceship
Yeah.
comes down.
It was so cool.
Well, I'm telling you that I have had such fun with this beautiful lady.
I love you, Karen.
I love you too, Pamela. This is the 1880s water tower. They fill the train up with this water so it creates steam.
Oh, it stopped way down there.
Oh, hold on, babe. Go ahead.
Okay.
Don't fall.
I'm not.
They'll probably discourage you from having your hand out.
Yeah.
Shut. Drop my cap.
It's not on the floor yet.
I don't know where it is.
Almost, I heard it.
They got really mad at me when I was cleaning
I
up
was
the
sitting on it.
Did they? Was it closed?
Here it goes.
That is cool.